This isn't a Mini you'd see Mr. Bean driving. This is a 1989 Mini Cooper 30th anniversary edition. The Mini Cooper, designed in 1959 in the UK, made famous in movies such as The Italian Job and for its success in the World Rally Championship, with 31 international rally wins and 4 World Rally titles. It's safe to say, big things come in small packages. This little car beside me has undergone an extensive restoration. Every part has either been rebuilt, refurbished or replaced. Tastefully modified with brand new super light alloys, brand new Nankang tyres, Mark 1 grille and moustache front end. Inside we have full Cobra interior with bucket seats, matching rear seats and door cards. We have a 3-spoke wooden steering wheel and brand new headlining. It's not saggy at all. Under the bonnet of this car, the engine and gearbox have been fully rebuilt with a stage 1 kit and a genuine K&N air filter. So whether you're a genuine enthusiast or just looking for a car to have a little bit of fun in over the summer, this is the machine for you. So get on over to luckydaycompetitions.com and get your tickets bought for just $11.97.